A forest fire smart landscape refers to a strategic approach to landscaping and land management that reduces an area's vulnerability to wildfires. This concept is part of broader Fire Smart or Fire-Wise community planning efforts, which aim to mitigate wildfire risks through thoughtful landscaping and building techniques. Here's an overview of what a forest fire smart landscape involves. Clearing and fuel reduction. One key component is clearing vegetation, removing or thinning flammable plants and materials that could fuel a wildfire. This includes trimming bushes, pruning trees, and clearing out underbrush. It also involves regular maintenance, keeping the landscape clean and free of debris such as fallen leaves, branches, and dead plants that can easily catch fire. Choice of plants. Fire-resistant planting is another important strategy. This means choosing plants that are less likely to ignite from a stray ember, typically those with higher moisture content, fewer resins, or non-flammable leaf structures. Equally important is strategic plant placement, arranging vegetation in a way that limits fire spread. This can include creating fire breaks or spacing out plant groups to slow down or stop advancing flames. Zoning. Creating a defensible space around structures is a critical part of fire-smart design. This involves dividing the area into zones with different levels of vegetation thinning, removal, and replacement, reducing the risk of fire reaching buildings. Providing access points is also essential. Clear routes for firefighting equipment and personnel can make a crucial difference during a wildfire emergency. Materials and design. Using fire-safe materials for features like paths, fences, decks, and mulch is highly recommended. Gravel mulch and stone pathways, for example, are safer alternatives to wood chips and pine straw. Installing proper irrigation systems is another effective measure. Maintaining vegetation with adequate moisture makes it less likely to ignite and helps prevent the spread of fire. Community collaboration. Education and training are vital. Helping residents understand fire-smart practices and the role of landscaping in wildfire prevention increases overall community resilience. Coordinated efforts make a real difference. Working with local fire departments, forestry services, and neighbors ensures a unified approach to wildfire preparedness. Implementing a forest fire smart landscape is a proactive and powerful way to reduce the risk of wildfire damage. In fire-prone regions, it plays a critical role in protecting homes, communities, and ecosystems from the destructive forces of wildfire.